So Pfizer on the graph, one thing that definitely stands out here is this huge spike up and then falling back down. And so that was their COVID portfolio generated some extra profits, some extra revenues for a period. That declined. One thing that I think you'll find if you look into some of their own reports is they talk about the results in 23. The non-COVID portfolio was still growing a bit during that period, but the drop off of the COVID-related sales really is why you see this spike up and spike down. But again, pretty good growth expected. We're almost at the end of 24, so we're getting pretty close to those numbers, finding out what those actually are. Again, very nice dividend yield on Pfizer, especially compared to the other two healthcare stocks. We can see total debt here of about 64 billion, and that's on a market cap of about 162 billion. So a little more debt, especially compared to J&J relative to the market value of the equity. But a lot of debt. Healthcare company may benefit from a lower interest rate.